Hi guys, today we will be cooking some sweet purple yam balls, and for that you will need 2 cups of fresh sweet purple yams. These will be steamed for about 25 minutes or until a toothpick goes in and comes out clean. For the dry ingredients, you will need the following: 2 cups of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, For the wet ingredients, you will need 6 tablespoons of coconut milk and 1 egg yolk. Once the yams are fully cooked, let it cool down a little bit, then add in the sugar and mash until you get a paste texture. Add in the coconut milk mixture and continue to stir until it is well combined. Add in your dry ingredients and continue kneading until it becomes a dough. The dough now turns blue because of the reactions from the anthocyanin of the yam and the baking powder. Don't worry and don't panic. The color purple will come back up once we start frying. Form the dough into small balls. I like mine with more coconut flavor, so I add some shredded coconut inside the balls. These will be fried under low-medium heat. Once the balls start floating, stir in a circular motion until you get a slight brown color. Drain with paper towel to get rid of the excess oil.